Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to wake up with smooth, refreshed skin, you might want to hear about this product. Let's talk about Olay Firming Night Cream, designed to hydrate and restore your skin while you sleep. But does it really live up to its promises? Let's dive in. Olay Firming Night Cream is a night moisturizer that claims to replenish hydration and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The formula promises up to 48 hours of moisture, ensuring your skin stays hydrated throughout the night. It's a rich, non-greasy cream that's designed to deliver a smoother, firmer look by morning without clogging your pores. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it does what it says on the box. The texture of the cream is thick yet surprisingly lightweight, making it feel luxurious but not overly heavy. A little goes a long way. Just a small amount covers the face and neck easily. It absorbs quickly, which is a huge plus for a night cream, as I don't want something that sits on my skin, especially when I'm heading to bed. In terms of hydration, this is where the Olay Firming Night Cream truly shines. It's like a drink of water for the skin, leaving it feeling plump and dewy without any greasiness. When I wake up, my skin feels soft and moisturized, and any dryness or tightness from the day before is gone. Over time, I've noticed my skin looking firmer and more refreshed, with fine lines appearing less prominent. Now let's talk about the downsides. While the cream is quite hydrating, it might be a bit rich for those with oily skin, especially if you prefer a lighter moisturizer. Also, it doesn't have any strong anti-aging active ingredients like retinol or peptides. So if you're looking for something with more potent anti-aging effects, this might not be the best option for you. In terms of value, Olay Firming Night Cream is reasonably priced for the results it offers. A pack of 3 1.9 oz jars is a solid deal if you're looking for long-term hydration and smoother skin. It's not the cheapest option out there, but considering its performance and the fact that a little bit lasts a long time, I'd say it's worth the price. When compared to other night creams in the same price range, this one stands out for its ability to provide instant hydration and lasting moisture. There are other brands with more specialized formulations, but for a reliable, no-frills option that delivers on hydration and skin smoothing, this one is hard to beat. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple yet functional. The jar is sturdy, and the cream inside maintains its texture and potency over time. There's nothing fancy about the packaging, but it does its job and keeps the product fresh. I also appreciate that it's a non-greasy formula that doesn't leave a sticky residue on my pillow. If you're someone who's looking for a budget-friendly night cream that delivers moisture and hydration without causing breakouts or irritation, Olay Firming Night Cream could be a great choice. However, if you're in need of something with stronger anti-aging benefits or targeting specific skin concerns like pigmentation, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've tried the Olay Firming Night Cream, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Have a great rest of your day, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.